Alright guys, so we're out here on Almanor Lake fishing for some trout.
Alright guys, so we're out here on Almanor Lake fishing for some trout.
Stock this lake.
For any of you who've never
trout fish, you're going to want to use a bullet weight with a swivel with some 4-pound test to a really small salmon hook. And I like to use the red salmon eggs just at first to try them, and then see what happens. I like to put 2 on there because it really hides the hook. These trout are a really finicky species. They don't bite very easily, so you kind of have to really just hide it for them. You don't have to, but I like to use the trout scent. Kind of works a lot. I just like to soak it in there a little bit. Alrighty. So we're gonna cast this out there, you guys, and see if we get any bites. This is my whole rod. So, do not do that, guys. If you can refrain from doing that, I would highly suggest it. You know, that's just my opinion. Alright guys, so we're gonna and see what we can come up with. And you're just gonna want to let it sink down to the bottom. And then tighten your slack. There we go, guys. First trout. Not too bad. Alright guys, so today we're up at Almanor Lake. I got the tiny scoping pool. I got it rigged up to catch some trout, and we're going to do a challenge today. We're going to see if regular marshmallows can catch trout. I've done nothing to these marshmallows. I bought them from the Dollar Tree. They were $1. We're going to hook one of these on and see what happens. Contest line is some windy shit, you guys. Oh, just caught myself. Alright, so you're going to want to hook your marshmallow on here real good, because it's probably going to come off. Alright, and then you want to reel up this little bad boy right here. Cock her back. Fire. Alright. We'll give that a little while and see if we catch some trout.